So this is A&P2 Lab Unit 1, Part 3. We're going to be talking about blood vessels of the circulatory system. So blood vessels generally have 3 layers, and except for our capillaries, which we'll talk about in a little bit. But first, starting from the middle, you have the tunica intima, so that's going to be the innermost. This is endothelium. It's very slick and smooth, so because you don't want blood cells or anything to stick to it. And it has the basement membrane. Then you have in the middle the tunica media, and this is really the variable part of all the blood vessels, is the thickness and composition of the tunica media. And it's where it has smooth muscle and some elastic fibers. And then on the outside, the tunica adventitia, and this is what helps protect them from getting injured from the outside and keeps them in place of where they're supposed to be. So let's kind of label this. It's in black and white, so it's a little bit tricky. So this big space in here, this is called the lumen. So that's going to be the opening, the lumen. And then on the inside, so I'm going to go here. So this inside layer, this is going to be the tunica intima, and I've got a color photo we're going to look at in a little bit. Next here, this middle layer, this would be our tunica media. And then this far outside layer is going to be the tunica adventitia. Okay, so here's kind of what they look like again. So you have this inside, here's the lumen, the tunica intima, which is going to be the endothelium, and then some of these other little layers that you do not need to know. So this innermost portion. Then you have the tunica media. So this is an artery, so you can see it's really thick. And then you have, well, the tunica externa, that we call that adventitia. So that's how they are generally structured.